Hello students, welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Vaman, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about chapter 13, lines and angles. You have learned about different types of angles and its measurement in previous classes. You have learned angles, lines, different types of angles. Students, you shall learn here properties of angles. Some properties write on your board. Supplementary angles. First property of angles are supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Two angles are said to be supplementary angle if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. So one formula, the supplementary angle equal to 180 degree minus given angle. Students, one question, find the supplementary angle of 80 degree. Then the supplementary angle of 80 degree equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. The supplementary angle of 100 degree equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to 80 degree. Second is complementary angle. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. So formula of the complementary angle. The complementary angle equal to 90 degree minus given angle. Students, find the complementary angle of 50 degree. So write the complementary angle of 50 degree equal to 90 degree minus 50 degree equal to 40 degree. Next, find the complementary angle of 40 degree. So write the complementary angle of 40 degree equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree equal to 50 degree. Next term is adjacent angle. Students, one angle drawn here, angle AOB, and one way draw OC. Here two angles, angle AOC and angle BOC, forming the angle of AOB. Define two angles are said to be adjacent angle. Two angles are said to be adjacent angles if they have the same vertex and common arm. They have the same vertex and common arm. Here same vertex is O and common arm OC. So angle AOC and angle BOC are the adjacent angle. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to angle AOB. So angle AOC and angle BOC are the example of adjacent angle because they have one common common vertex O. They have the common vertex. They have the same vertex O and common arm OC. Same vertex O and common arm OC. Next term is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair of angles if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. If the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Example, first of all draw a figure. Line AB, one ray OC stand on it. So angle AOC and angle BOC adjacent angle, and the sum of angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Now some property. Understand here. A line is AB. OC OD. So form angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. In this figure, the sum of the angles of same side on a line is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Same this type example. The angles form on a point is 360 degree. Point O, A, B, C and D. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 360 degree. The angles around a point, the sum of the angles of around a point is 360 degree. The sum of all angles on the same sides on a line on a line is 180 degree. Understand and write it. Students, next properties of angles is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Short form is VOA, abbreviation. Vertically opposite angle VOA. Students, if two lines intersect each other at a point, then they form vertically opposite angles. Example, one line is AB. Another line is CD. AB and CD intersect at point O. So lines AB and CD form a vertically opposite angle. Angle AOC and angle BOD. Other angle BOC and angle AOD. Vertically opposite angle is VOA angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Next, angle BOC equal to angle AOD. These are the pair of vertically opposite angle. Next term is on theorem. Theorem if two lines intersect, if two lines intersect at a point, if two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So draw a figure. AB, lines AB and line CD intersect at a point O. So right, let lines AB and CD, let lines AB and CD intersect at point O, at point O. Then to prove that, angle AOB first, angle AOB equal to angle BOD, and second, angle BOC equal to angle AOD. Angle AOC equal to angle BOD and angle BOC equal to angle AOD. Students, prove it. Here angle AOC plus this time cover it, angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree by linear pair equation 1. Now cover it, angle AOD plus angle BOD, angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. It is also bilinear pair, equation 2. Students, can have right side of both equation is 180 degree, equal 180 degree, 180 degree. So left sides of equations are also equal. From equation 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, right? एंगल AOC प्लस एंगल AOD इक्वल टू एंगल AOD plus angle BOD. Angle AOD cancel. That implies angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Similarly, angle BOC equal to angle AOD. Angle BOC equal to angle AOD proved. Understand and write it. Students, now solve some examples. One example is written here. Example number 6. In adjoining figure, what value of x will make AOB a straight line. Students, if AOB be a straight line, then angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So right here, if AOB be a straight line, then angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree by linear pair. The short form of linear pair is LP by LP. We use always LP stand of linear pair instead of linear pair. LP stands for linear pair. So angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Now put the value of AOC plus BOC. AOC plus BOC equal to 180 degree. The value of angle AOC equal to 3x plus 5 degree plus angle BOC 2x minus 25 degree equal to 180 degree. Next step, 3x plus 2x equal to 5x. 5 degree minus 25 degree. So minus 20 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies 5x equal to minus 20 by transposition change into plus 20. So 180 degree plus 20 degree equal to 200 degree. That implies x equal to 200 degree by 5. 5 4 ja 20 and 0 40 degree. The value of x is 40 degree. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 7. In this question, two lines AB and CD. Two lines AB and CD intersect at point O. If angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Solution. Angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Find the measure of angle AOD. First of all, find angle AOD, angle BOD and angle BOC. So angle AOD plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree. तो भाई एंगल AOD प्लस एंगल AOC इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Why? So Y linear pair. Bilinear pair. That implies angle AOD plus angle AOC is 40 degree equal to 180 degree. That implies angle AOD equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree equal to 140 degree. Answer. Next angle is BOD. Angle BOD equal to angle AOC. Angle BOD equal to angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Why? So by VOA, vertically opposite angle. Next angle is angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. Angle BOC equal to angle AOD and angle AOD is 140 degree. One answer it is also equal to 140 degree by VOA. Answer. Students, today your homework is remember, define theorem and solve examples. Thank you. That's all.